In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conditionally lock cells based on other values. This is a simple and useful Excel technique when you want to make it visually clear that a cell should not be edited unless another cell meets a certain condition. In this example, we're building on a setup where data validation has already been applied. And now we want to add conditional formatting so the restricted cell looks disabled whenever the required value is not present. To begin, select the target cell or cells where you previously applied data validation. For example, if your controlled input cell is B1, click on B1. If you are working with a larger range, make sure the entire intended range is selected before moving on. This matters because the formatting rule will apply only to whatever is selected at this stage. Next, go to the Home tab in Excel. Then click Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. This opens the Formatting Rule Builder, where you can define when Excel should visually change the selected cells. From the list of rule types, choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. This option gives you more control, because instead of checking simple built-in conditions, you can tie the formatting directly to the value in another cell. Now enter the formula that represents the opposite of your allowed condition. In this case, type equals a 1, not equal to allow. Written as is equals to a 1 failo. What this does is tell Excel to apply the formatting whenever cell A1 does not contain the word allow. In other words, if the permission condition is not met, the target cell will be visually marked as unavailable. After entering the formula, click Format. In the Formatting window, go to the Fill tab and choose a gray background color. Gray works well because it gives the cell a muted, inactive appearance, which helps users immediately understand that they shouldn't interact with it. Once you've selected the color, click OK. Then click OK again to confirm the rule and apply it. At this point, the selected cell will automatically turn gray whenever the value in a 1 is anything other than allow. If a 1 does contain allow, the gray fill will not appear, making the cell look active again. This method is especially helpful because it adds a clear visual cue without changing the underlying structure of your worksheet. It helps guide users and reduces mistakes, especially in shared spreadsheets. Thanks for watching.